Hello, I'm Adriana Flores, Archivist and Special Collections Librarian at Puget Sound. I'm also a graduate of Puget Sound, part of the class of 2013, and my pronouns are she, her, hers. I'm so happy to introduce you to the beautiful Collins Library. I'm part of a great team of librarians that support your research and study at Puget Sound. We work closely with your professors to connect you with the resources you need, whether they're books, journals, databases, or archives and special collections materials, which are my area of expertise. Here I have a pennant circa 1916. We offer a 24/7 reference service and personal consultations so you always have the support you need. We have a knowledgeable team of reference librarians who have special subject area expertise to assist you in all of your research at Puget Sound. Collins Library has lots of comfortable study spaces and is filled with art and exhibits. It's a great place to study and to be inspired. And if you're feeling creative, we also have a makerspace that provides the opportunity to experiment with equipment such as 3D printers. On behalf of the entire Collins team, welcome to Puget Sound.